Hey guys, running Kimono here. So this is the Walgreens preview for the week of August the 9th to the 15th. So there's lots of wonderful deals in this flyer. It's going to be a great week over at Walgreens. So yeah, I'm just really excited for this week. And let's not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big old like. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much, guys. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is this 10 times every day. You will either be able to find it on the printout flyer at your store. So it's going to be with the IVC books, or alternatively, there will be a digital one that you can load probably today in your coupons folder of your Walgreens account. Now, this is 10 times every day. This does not stack together like the paper and the electronic, just to let you know what this shakes out to, because the dates are kind of like all over the place for this one. It's from the 9th to the 22nd if you look at the fine print of that. And basically when you spend $20, you're going to get back 2,000 points. Again, the digital and the paper one don't stack, and you must pay cash for the balance because this one is a spend offer, just to note that. Okay, so if you might have missed it a couple days back, I went through a bunch of clearance at my Walgreens store and at a couple friends' stores. Lots of great stuff in that cold medication aisle that's 90% off. And with cold, flus, and everything that's going on, you might want to stock up on some of this stuff, including some very inexpensive chapstick or lip balm as well. And then also cough drops are a big thing too. So I'm going to link this video at the very end if you want to check it out. I know a lot of us are trying to stock up on cold and flu stuff, so just some really fantastic price points for these items. So first deal that we're going to talk about is $4.99 for the Bounty or Tide products, a $3 register reward when you buy two. Now, if you remember, last week, these digitals showed up, along with there's also a similar one in the August P&G, so you could do one of each or an either or, whatever you want to do. But load these digitals because you can at least do the deal once with digital coupons. So grabbing two of them, guys, at $4.99 a pop, that's $9.98. Let's say that we're going to use two $2 digitals, one for the liquid, one for the pod, so that's $4 off right there. You're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. You're getting back a $3 register reward. It's $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 per product. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, that's totally cool. The register reward will still print for you. Now, if you might have two of these guys floating around your wallet and you're like, I would rather get the paper towel than Tide, because I'm done with Tide. I have like so much Tide, it's ridiculous. Here's a deal for you. Grab two of those Bounty paper towels, that's $9.98. Surrender two $4 register rewards. Well, that's $8 off right there. You're left with paying $1.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, free plus $1.02 moneymaker. It's a fantastic roll of those register rewards. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, that's totally fine. The register reward will still print for you. Okay, guys, and if you're buying stuff from the P&G line, Tide, Crest, Bounty, whatever, let's not forget to photograph our receipts and send it to the pngoodeveryday.com site. Basically, you collect 750 points. You can get a $5 gift card to Panera, Starbucks. There's a whole list of them. It's a really great site. It's a 50-50 split between gift cards and charity donations of your choice. You might really want to check that out because you're getting a little bit extra something, and a lot of these Walgreens deals center around P&G products, razors, Tide, that good stuff. So just a little food for thought. You might want to sign up for the site, free to do, and a $5 gift card is nothing to sneeze at. Okay, so now we're going to talk about this 10,000 points when you spend 20 on participating products, including the Nexxus, Love Beauty Planet, hair care. Okay, so we're going to talk specifically about Nexxus because there was a high value $5 internet printable found on coupons.com. Hopefully it's still there. Now, if you look at my store, this was the deal a couple weeks back. Again, they just brought it back because I guess it was so popular. So if you look at these hairsprays, I believe they're $13.79 each. You can ask for a price mod from online to in-store because online it's a little bit cheaper. But I know that a lot of you, were brought in the back of the store and given quite the scolding. So I know for a lot of you it's not possible. So we're going to look at this deal two different ways without a price mod. If you want to do a price mod, you can do it. but your store has to allow it, and some stores just refuse price modifications from their online to in-store. That's all we're going to talk about price mods. So we're going to need 2 of these little great coupons from coupons.com, and it's a $5 off. You can use up to 2. There's also a digital, I believe, so if you still might have that, you might be able to use it for this deal. And we're going to use this 10 times every day for this first dealio. So what we're going to do is grab 2 of the hairspray products, because they are the cheapest ones in the line, at $13 and some change. So that's $27.58. At this point, you're going to get the cashier to scan your 10 times or have it loaded digitally. You're going to present $5 from coupons.com. You're going to pay $17.58 cash out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then you're getting back $10,000 for the weekly deal, plus an extra $2,000 for the 10 times every day. So after you subtract that from the total, it's $5.58 for the 2, or $2.79 for each. Let's not forget to photograph your receipt, send it off to the Fetch Rewards app. There might be some extra points for you. And let's also not forget, for this one, you got to pay cash for the balance. So cash, credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have. Do not use points to pay down your balance, or this will not work for you. Now, if you guys remember a couple weeks back, we did a speed stick deal, and at the bottom of your receipt that was emailed to you, there was a 25% off a regular priced item with this specific coupon. There's a barcode on the other side of it, but I'm not going to show it to you because I haven't used mine yet. So 25% off, and we're going to look at the same deal I just showed you. So grabbing 2 of the Nexxus hairsprays, that's $27.58. Subtracting that 25% coupon, our new subtotal is $20.60. You will present 2 $5 coupons from coupons.com. You're going to pay $10.60 cash out of pocket, get back 10,000 points, 60 cents for 2, or 30 cents per hairspray. Let's not forget to take a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app of your receipt and pay cash for the balance of this one. This is close to free Nexxus hair care. This is definitely a fantastic deal. Having this guy loaded to my store card, will I get an extra $2? We'll have to see on Sunday. It's just one of those things. I'm going to say right now, I'm not sure. But an extra $2, it would be a freebie and moneymaker. So I will let you guys know Sunday morning, yay or nay, if it's working, because I'm going to be doing this specific deal Sunday morning. Okay, the next deal that we're going to talk about is the Rimmel Cosmetics. It's 40% off with your store card. There's a whole host of products, but specifically you're looking for products in the $3 or $4 mark, because with the 40% off, plus there's also an IVC coupon, that's where we'll find the biggest savings. And if you look here, guys, it's $4 off of 2 for the eye and face. So we're specifically looking for those 2 items. And this is the IVC coupon. You find it in the August Big Book, or you can alternatively load it digitally. It is your choice. Okay, so we have some Rimmel eye makeup remover, and it's $4.19. This is an online price, so it might be a couple of pennies more in store. And as you can see, that wonderful 4 off of 2 IVC is in fact attaching to this product. So looking at it with 40% off, guys, grabbing 2 of them, that's $8.38. Subtracting 40%, that's $3.35 off right there. Get the cashier to scan that 4 off of 2 IVC, found in the August Big Book. You're left with paying $1.03 for 2 makeup removers, or 51 cents each. Now, if the makeup removers are not included, that's cool. You're specifically looking for products in this specific price point when you buy 2 of them to get the math to balance for that price. So this is a really good deal. Definitely look at the Rimmel Cosmetic and what they're tagged at 40% off. And if you can get the math to balance, there might be some great steals and deals to be had and found. Another fantastic deal is with the Revlon Kiss Bombs. As you can see, the rate is buy one, get one 50% off, a $5 register reward back when you buy 2 of them. So what we're going to do for this deal is grab 2 of those Kiss Bombs. It's kind of like a clear lip balm and a crayon. So for 2 of them at $4.99, that's $7.48. You will pay that out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2.48 for the 2, or $1.24 each. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Or if you might have another register reward from a different deal, use it to pay down your balance for this one so you're not feeling it out of pocket. Okay, the next dealio that we have is with the Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or Kleenex. So it is your choice if you want to get one of each, or if you just want to get toilet paper. It is time for us to rebuild our paper products after everything that's been going on for the last 6 months. So these are exactly $5 on the nose. For this specific deal, I'm trying to use 2 of these if you might have them from deals from the week previous. So 2 $4 register rewards. So grabbing 2 things of the Scott's, I'm going to go with toilet paper. That's $10 on the nose. And I'm also going to grab one of those 57-cent lollipops at the cash register, just a cheap candy. So my new total here is $10.75. I get the cashier to scan my $1.25 IVC once and $2.50 comes off. I'm presenting 2 $4 register rewards. $8 is coming off. I'm left with paying 7 cents plus the tax. I think this is just a really, really smart use of 2 register rewards, and I love inexpensive paper. So this is a deal I definitely want to do on Sunday. Okay, the next deal that we have is on the Crest. It's on the toothpaste or mouthwash. So let's grab some mouthwash today. Let's make this a little different. So if you remember, we have this wonderful 3 off of 2. It's still available to load today, so definitely load it because all of the August P&G Crest coupons are expiring on Saturday. So grabbing 2 mouthwashes, that's 6 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're left with paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it free. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. You'll still earn your register reward. Okay, so the Colgate is $3.99. There's going to be a 5 off of 3, and then a $5 reward of 5,000 points when you buy 3 of these. So buying 3 of these guys, it is $11.97. Remember, it's $3.99 a pop. We're going to subtract that 5 off of 3 digital coupon that's going to show up on Sunday morning. You're left with paying $6.97 out of pocket, getting back 5,000 points, making it $1.97 for 3 or 65 cents per tube of toothpaste. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. I know 65 cents is a little spendy for toothpaste, but if you are a fan of Optic White or one of the ones on sale, this might be a pretty good deal for you. Now with the Kellogg cereal, it's $1.99. There's a 50-cent coupon, dropping it down to $1.49 after everything's said and done. Pop-Tarts are in fact included. I got this goofy coupon, which is a 2 off of 4, and it's going to work with this deal because it's part of the Kellogg's family. So grabbing 4 boxes of cereal for $7.96, subtracting that 2 off of 4, digital manufacturer, I'm left with paying $5.96 for the 4 or $1.49 per box. Let's not forget to check IBOTTA for some savings, and I know Saving Star has a progressive $25, $5 back when you spend $25 on Kellogg, so that's something to think about. But if you need to stock up on cereal, this might not be the worst deal for you. Okay, let's talk about the Dial. This is for the body wash, $3.49, and we're not going to use that chintzy dollar coupon because in this weekend's Retail Me Not, there's going to be a buy one get one free, which is really fantastic. So look out for that in this weekend's Retail Me Not. So grabbing 2 of these body washes, that's $6.98, subtracting a BOGO free from the Retail Me Not of August the 9th, you're left with paying $3.49 for the 2. Or $1.74 per body wash. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. Okay, and for all the parents out there, let's do a little quick deal on the pull-ups. They're 2 for $18, $5 register reward when you spend $25 on this product. So for this specific one, we're going to pair it with the 10 times when you spend $20. Why not? So make sure you have that guy loaded along with this 2 off of 2. I'm not sure if the August P&G, if there's insert coupons to go with that last one, but you might want to look through your inserts if you might have an extra coupon. And then we have a $1 rebate on the IBOTTA app, so make sure that you have it. The limit is 5, so buying 3 of these, you'll get $3 back. So grabbing 3 of the pull-ups, that's $27 on the nose, subtracting that $2 digital, along with you're going to get that 10 times every day scanned. You're left with paying $25 cash out of pocket. You're getting back your $5 register reward, 2,000 points for the 10 times every day, plus $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $15 for the 3 or $5 per bag. Remember to pay cash for this deal. Okay guys, let's talk about some honorable mentions really quickly. If you are in need of fabric softener or dryer sheets, $2.99, there's going to be a $1 coupon for these products, so it drops it down to $1.99. We've seen it cheaper, but if you desperately need it, maybe that's a deal for you. The Ajax and Palmolive, 99 cents a pop, very inexpensive. Throw in some points or register rewards. It's probably the smartest way to do it. The Bon Vive or Bud seltzers are $13.99. There's an $8 mail-in rebate that comes out of the Catalina machine. It'll print for you. You have to send the manufacturer some pertinent information along with the receipts and UPC from the box. It drops it down to $5.99 after everything is said and done. The buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens brand of storage bags. It drops it down to 93 cents after everything's said and done, and that's a very inexpensive price for some of these bags. And then the Renews It cones are on a buy four get two for free. So utilizing that coupon is a digital. It's going to be 59 cents after everything is said and done. And then these Patriot candles, which are quite large, they're 4 for 20, so $9.99 is the typical price. So they're $5 each after everything is said and done. These gift cards are, when you buy two of them at $15 a pop, you're going to get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So if you're a fan of like Domino's, Taco Bell, Burlington, Foot Locker, that might be a great deal for you. And what a great thing to get a gift card to Walgreens. And the Yardley soap is 69 cents. So if you need an easy filler for one of your baskets to utilize a register reward, this might be the item to grab. And back to school, this was right on the cover. You have some doorbusters, including crayons, glue sticks, some of those pencils that are really nice for 99 cents. It's usually like $3 or $4 for that, or even the Paper Mate. Some great deals here. And the backpacks are on a buy one, get one free. And that's typically, I think, like they're closer to $7.99, so you're probably getting them for like $4 a pop after everything's said and done. More school supplies include the Wexford brand, which is the Walgreens brand, 49 cents for some of this wonderful merchandise. And then 5 for a buck, including more Walgreens brand for the highlighters, erasers, folders, and rulers. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.